Quiz answers to lessons 1 to 3. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma akhrijna min zulumatil wahm wa akrimna binuril fahm. Allahumma aftah alayna abwaaba rahmatik wanshur alayna khazaina ulumik birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Let us now look at the questions and answers to the objective type of the quizzes for lesson 1, research concept and importance, types of researchers. Lesson 2, various approaches to research, and lesson 3, problem identification. Lesson 1, research concept and importance, types of researchers. Question: which of the following does not describe research? A. An endeavor or curiosity-driven activity that has the purpose of highlighting already known things and pieces of knowledge. B. A study directed towards more complete knowledge or understanding of the subject studied, or a form of inquiry that involves seeking of evidence to buttress opinion or increased knowledge. C. An intellectual activity involving a systematic process for recognizing need for information, acquiring and validating that information, and deriving conclusion from it. D. An intense report of academic activity chosen and conducted by a researcher. The answer is A. An endeavor or curiosity-driven activity that has the purpose of highlighting, take note, already known things and pieces of knowledge. It should not be like that because it would be a wasting of time. Question: research, therefore, enables us to bring the legacy left behind by early Muslim scholars as well as the contributions of modern scholars to the limelight. A. True. B. False. The answer is true. Question: identified by Ahmad Shalabi as an essential requirement for a researcher to be considered successful, blank also implies rearrangement of existing subject in a new useful form or finding new reasons for earlier accepted facts. 1. Thoroughness. B. Critical thinking. C. Originality. D. Novelty. The answer is novelty. Question: a talented student is he who suggests ambiguous topic for research and make attempts to remove its ambiguity. This is a sign of A. Ability to choose a problem that has never been studied before. B. Novelty in formulating appropriate plan for the study. C. Ability to compare, contrast, and come up with new ideas. And D. None of the above. Answer: A. Ability to choose a problem that has never been studied before. Question: it is often called term paper or project during the university education sessions in science, educational, or humanities faculties or colleges. A. Undergraduate research. B. MA dissertation research. C. MPhil dissertation research. D. PhD thesis. The answer is undergraduate research, obviously. Next question. This is an approach to research which involves analyzing written materials or appraisal of literary outputs. A. Case study. B. Content analysis. C. Personal reflection. D. Structured observation. Yes, the answer is content analysis. Question. This is an approach to research which is used when we observe recurring events or behaviors and make a note of what we see for later analysis. A. Case study. B. Content analysis. C. Personal reflection. D. Structured observation. The answer is structured observation. Next question. Qualitative research involves collection of narrative data in a natural setting in order to gain insights into phenomena of interest. A. True. B. False. The answer is true. Next question. Quantitative research involves gathering information in numeric form. A. True. B. False. The answer is true. Okay, last lesson. Lesson 3, problem identification. Question. Elaborating upon the information implied in the title of the study, the statement of the problem should be set forth in brief but quite specific terms so that even an uninformed reader may secure an idea of the nature of the problem which underlies the rationale for the study. A. True. B. False. The answer is true. Question. When citing problems and hypotheses from the literature, we should always have to use the author's words verbatim. True. A. B. False. The answer is false. Question. Research problem may be investigated by personal experience, may be instigated by A. Personal experience, B. Literature, C. Consultation with subject experts and professors, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Next question. After identifying a general problem area, a researcher may easily narrow down this problem area even without conducting a preliminary review of literature. A. True. B. False. The answer is false. There should be a preliminary review of literature. Next question. Which of the following describes a research problem? A. It should describe the relationship between two or more variables. B. It could take the form of a question for which answer is to be provided. C. It must be specific enough to avoid confusion and to indicate clearly what is being studied. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. The answer is all of the above. Okay, so next time we will deal with the answers to the quizzes for lessons 4 to 6, inshallah. So for more similar contents, subscribe to Wayfaring with Mansoor channel. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.